In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a promo code on the Uber app. With plenty of promotions available, knowing how to apply a promo code can help you save money on your rides. Whether it's for a special discount or a promotional offer, using a promo code is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started, shall we? First, you'll want to open up the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed so that everything works seamlessly. Once the app is open, you should see the familiar home screen with your current location pinpointed. Now, what we're going to do is navigate to the section where you can enter in your promo code. In the top left corner, there's an icon resembling three horizontal lines, sometimes referred to as the menu button. Tap on that to bring up the main menu of options. You'll see several choices listed here like trips, help, and settings. For our purpose, scroll until you find the option labeled account. Go ahead and tap on account. This will take you to a new screen filled with various tools and settings related to your personal Uber preferences. Within the account section, you should now see an option titled wallet. Tap on wallet to open up your payment options. The wallet section is quite useful as it gives you an overview of your payment methods, Uber credits, and more. But for now, our focus is on promotions, so let's continue. Once you're in the wallet, look for the option that says promotions. Tap on promotions, and you'll be directed to a page specifically for managing your promotional codes. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a button or a text box inviting you to add promo code. Tap on it and a keyboard will appear, allowing you to type in the promo code you have. Now carefully enter the promo code into the provided text field. Double check to ensure there are no typos or extra spaces, as these can cause the code to be invalid. After you've entered the code correctly, press the add or apply button. If successful, you should see a confirmation that the promo code has been added to your account. The next time you book a ride, the discount or offer associated with the promo code will be applied automatically. Remember that promo codes typically have expiration dates or specific conditions, so be sure to check the details to ensure you get the most out of the offer. There you have it. You've successfully added a promo code to your Uber account. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you have a new promo code to apply. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you enjoy more cost-effective rides with Uber. Safe travels.